My mop just tipped over. I don't know if you heard that noise or not when it started. Oh goodness, it goes again. Okay. Sorry, I said I was going to be on in 5, and then Don came home from work, and so we had a little chit chat when he came in. So maybe you'll join, or maybe you won't. Maybe you'll catch this on the replay. If you're catching this on the replay, make sure you do hashtag replay and then respond to the video with some answers. If you're watching me live, type in your answers while we're going along here. Okay, so first thing is hands who really super duper really likes it when the whole house is clean and it just feels like, fresh, and it's just amazing. I like that feeling. Now, anybody that says, maybe it's not because you don't enjoy the wonderful smell of fresh air coming through the house and things just being put away and everything looking like it's in its place and you're just kind of starting all over. Maybe it's more of the process of how we get there. Okay, so we are not going to do a whole house in one day. That's too much. What we are going to do is the whole house in 31 days. Okay, so we already missed yesterday because that was March 1st. Wow, did that sneak up on me fast or not? I mean, hello. That was quick. That short month just really sometimes throws us for a loop. So today is actually March 2nd. However, I don't think it's going to take us till March 31st to have our house 100% clean. Now, for those of you who celebrate Easter, that is April 4th, I believe. And so maybe you're going to have people over, maybe not. Maybe you're going to try to do like an outdoor thing if it's really nice. Either way, won't it feel really great, whether it's for Easter or for just any kind of celebration or just to have some family over, maybe some grandkids or your neighbors, do a cookout, grill out, and you know that your house is sparkling clean and it's not contaminated with a bunch of chemicals. So I hope you join me along the way here. I'm going to try to do a daily video, and this one will be the longest because I'm explaining everything. So here we go. You could choose to do a room or the whole house, depending on how you want to work it. My whole thing is that we go from the ceiling to the floor. Show my hand, from the ceiling to the floor. And why do we do that? It's just the same as when we clean a car. You get all the dirt off the top and you wash it all the way down to the tires, and then when you're done, the whole thing is done, instead of stuff spraying back up. So the same thing goes for when we are cleaning our house. The dust and debris is going to fall down with the gravity, and then at the very end you do the floors. So I looked up a couple of spring cleaning guides, and a lot of them have the ceiling and the floors kind of intermittent with everything. Oh, I see somebody has joined us. So this is about how we're going to do some spring cleaning, going floor to ceiling though, and not having the floors and stuff like that in the middle. So some of the stuff I'm going to show downstairs, some of the videos are upstairs or in a specific maybe room, like a bedroom or something. The first thing is that if you do not have the mop, I know lots of people don't want to buy it outright because it is I think it's 113 now. The biggest thing though is that it has so many uses. It's not just for the floor. It's for the rest of your house, for the ceiling, the walls, as well as the floors. So if you do not have the Norwex mop, I don't know what to suggest in place of it. I think like the Swiffers and some of those other brands may have an adjustable handle. They may have connections for the ceiling. But if you can get on a step ladder, maybe have the Norwex dust mitt. You could spritz it. Damp dusting is always better, especially if you're affected by dust mites, the allergen, if it's an allergy trigger. Also throw on a mask. I had to wear a mask all the time so much before Norwex, but you got to do what you got to do to protect yourself, okay? So the first thing is on the Norwex mop, there's a clip here. Oops. This is the dry pad, by the way. Oh, I don't have it tight. Okay, there's a clip here. You flip up and it keeps it from twisting. All it can do now is go back and forth. And actually, a little secret, I didn't take everything off my walls. So one of the things I like to do is actually be able to go around it. So I do leave it on the swivel. I just feel like that kind of works better. And then, of course, you need to tighten it in its place. I think I got it now. The other thing is, this mop, you can stand on it. Oops. Let's see if I can show you my feet. So I can stand on it. I can do that to adjust. Ooh, my thumb's in the way, sorry. Try that again. So there's my feet. I'm standing on it. And then I can tighten it. And I either have it at chin or nose high. Now, because my ceiling down here is low, I don't need to make it longer to reach up way high. So I'm just going to take this. Let me switch my mirror or my camera around. The mirror. Haha. Okay. And I'm just going to show you real quick. So I can just put it right here. And just go along. And the same thing with the baseboard. Now this, see how it swivels here? This is why you wouldn't want it to swivel, because I want to bring the whole thing down, but I just know I have to put pressure on a different part of the mop handle to get it to come down straight or nearly straight. So then you just, so when I go around picture frames, I can do this and get the dust of the tops of them. Okay, so this is how to do your walls, but like I said, we want to start at the ceiling. So I flip it over, get it flat. I get that edge. See, I have that edging there. And again, see, I have it on the swivel, so if I had it locked in place, it wouldn't swivel. And I'm just walking backwards, going along my ceiling. That's a vent that doesn't seal all the way, so for the winter down here, we have it closed. So I just come around here. And I can turn. Oop, I got some stuff on the floor by my feet. And I'm just going to turn here. And I'm going to go across. And then I can come back this way. I gotta watch where the lamp is, the light. And so I'm just getting, you know, the dust that's up there off the ceiling. Now, to do this correctly, you're going to want to do all of the ceilings, oops, all the ceilings in your house. Coming to the light. We got to swivel around that. We'll take care of the light fixture another time. Or if I wanted to, now I could take this and go all the way into my other room. And come back out. And I can just keep going. Okay, so that was enough of watching me do that. Now here's the walls. So when I come down, I can go over here and then I can swivel, come around that. Yes, this is missing the glass out of it. It's a long story. I haven't replaced that glass. So, and I can just work. Whoop, we got toys on the floor. Elor's toys. So again, I can just work around here. And if you really wanted to, if you were really ambitious, maybe you'll take all of your stuff off the wall and clean what's behind the wall. But I assume what's behind my pictures is clean. Okay, so that's how you use the Norwex mop to do your ceilings. So I'm going to do all my ceilings. What would be really awesome is if, for all of you, if you took a picture with you and either if you're using the Norwex mop or if you're using a dust mitt or whatever you're doing, and today is ceiling day. And if you want to add in your walls real quick, add in your walls. If you want to do just all your ceilings, So it's all the ceilings. So if you have a 2-story house, go upstairs and do all the ceilings upstairs, and then come down, do your main level, and then in your basement, do that. And that's all we're doing today is ceilings. So have a good day, have fun, and let's do this together. Uh, it's more fun when we do things together. Friends help friends clean without chemicals. And that is our motto for this month is friends help friends clean without chemicals. And make sure you invite a friend. Have them join the VIP group and do the spring cleaning with us. If you have any questions on products while we go through this, let me know. And I'm going to try to do some other posts each day that will tie into the tool of the day, what I use to clean with. So thanks for joining me. I am excited to do spring cleaning with you and see what we can do in 30 days or sooner. Maybe it won't take us 30 days. All right. Have a wonderful sunny March 2nd day.